If you have ever thought about card making, if you have ever thought about scrapbooking, if you love to do all of that already, you are going to absolutely love this video. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. So if you think about crafting and card making, having the skills and the ability to really affect people's lives is really something special. And being inspired to personally create a custom card for someone's birthday, or maybe their anniversary, or another special occasion, or, even those times in life when we might have to send a sympathy card to somebody. The cool thing about this is that having the confidence to create these memories and the moments are really, really special. And it makes you feel good because you're pouring your heart and soul into making something special. And I feel like that energy translates onto the other person as well. So Anna Griffin is an internationally known high-end gift, stationery, and craft brand. They're actually based here in Atlanta, Georgia. Since Father's Day is approaching, I wanted to let you know that Anna Griffin does have a masculine line, because let's face it, if, we're all going to go crazy for a sharp-dressed man. I know I personally am as well. And these products were inspired by that dapper gentleman of the past and the present. And these are the perfect pieces for creating that something special for that special guy in your life. Now, these products are great for Father's Day. They're great for birthdays. They're great for graduations. Or they're just great to let your dad, your husband, your brother, your uncle, your cousin, any special guy in your life know that you're thinking about him. And Anna Griffin actually gifted me some of these kits that I'm going to show you that are absolutely perfect for Father's Day. All right, you guys, so the very first set I want to show you is this Suits and Sentiment sticker set. This is a way that you can dress up your cards for him with these new Suits and Sentiment stickers. These are dapper embellishments that are going to add a stylish touch to your cards and any of your scrapbooking pages. What's really cool is that in this little box right here, there are 80 Suits and Sentiment stickers. There are 4 of each, and you're getting 20 different designs. And then you've got this great storage folio that's got this Velcro tab to the front of it. Let's take a look and see what's inside of here. So here is what you get in the Suits and Sentiment sticker kit. Now, just for full disclosure, I did take everything out of the packaging already because I didn't want you guys to have to listen to all of the plastic. But look, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Now, this is going to be a mess, but I mean, if you are into scrapbooking, if you're into card making, if you want to learn how to do all of this, these are absolutely fantastic. Now, these are the different kind of sentiments that are available. As you can see, there's everything possible. Congratulations, happy birthday, for my favorite guy, you're an inspiration, looking great, my friend. Like, I mean, all kinds of great ones. And there are a ton in here. Like, look at all of the stuff that you're going to get. And this is a kit that you could use, honestly, all year long. Like, you've always got a guy in your life, or at least I hope. And this is going to be something like, look at all these guys. Look how sharply dressed they are. This is giving me like very, very cool. Like, look at that guy. He's in a tuxedo. Did you guys see me, by the way, in my tuxedo at Sarah Jane's wedding? How fun was that? There are all kinds of different stickers and looks and things. And what's really cool about these too is that you see that they're kind of like 3D, three-dimensional. And you're going to get all kinds of these things. So this is definitely something that you want to check out, especially if you like making cards. So in addition to going to annagriffin.com, Anna also does a lot with HSN. And there is a kit that's available right now, and it's a combo. It's a Father's Day kit and a Mother's Day kit. And it's a card making kit, which I think is really, really cool. Now, I've got the Father's Day kit here. And with this one little kit, I can make 12 different cards. So think about it from a mom or dad perspective, right? You want to make something special for the mom and dad in your life. And this is really, really quick and really, really easy. And what's cool about this too is that there's no experience required. This is totally your inspiration. Everything that's in here is already cut for you. There is no cut And what's really cool about this also is that there is an idea sheet inside for inspiration. You're going to get 12 shape cards. You're going to get 2 of 6 different designs. And then there are 12 card layers in here, and there are 2 of each or 6 designs. You're going to get 24 different 3D embellishments, 1 of each design. And then you're going to get another 12 of a different design. You're also going to get 24 flat embellishments. You're going to get 12 envelopes. You're going to get 300 foam dots. And you're also going to get twine. You're going to get it in gray, and you're also going to get it in white. This is the perfect card making kit. And now I'm going to show you everything that is in this kit for Father's Day. So this is the Father's Day kit, and this is the Simply Father's Day card making kit. Now remember the one I showed you for, or the one I told you about rather for HSN, that is a Mother's Day and a Father's Day card making kit. Now this is your twine. These are some of your sentiments. You've got cheers, dad, and it looks like there's probably, like, open these. Looks like there's probably some like happy birthday for dad, happy Father's Day, world's greatest dad, like all kinds of you're the best dad. Like those are fantastic. Those are super, super cool. I'm going to put those on there. And then these are some of the other ones that you're going to get. I think I love this actually the best because like look at these. Look how cool these are. Like you're going to get trophies. You got a little scorecard. Look at the music notes. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, the cards, the playing cards. Like how great are these going to be for scrapbooks? The stars. Oh my God, I love the stars. The football is so cute. You get some individual stars. You get these kind of star bursts and different things. You get this little top hat. I mean, I love that too. What's really cool about these too is that you don't have to use this just for card making. Like you can absolutely do this for any of your other crafting or anything. You can use these for all kinds of shadow boxes and different things. Here are some of those inserts, and you get very, very masculine, kind of very cool kind of patterns. These are some of your other pieces here that are, again, super, super nice. What's cool is that you also get to handmade, so you can, you know, reference that your card was actually handmade for you. And then on the back of here, these are also some of the envelopes that I'd mentioned to you. And what I love about these two is that the cards are, I think, there they go. They open on the side here. So you get to, I hope you know, I'm grateful and my heart is truly glad that today and every single day, thank you as my dad. I have you as my dad, rather. And each one is going to be a little different. And sending you lots of love on this special day. Like, you're going to get all kinds of great things in here. These, I keep flipping the wrong ones. So lucky to have you as my father. You're going to get the twine that I mentioned. I mean, how many cards are you going to be able to make for dad? You're going to get the glue dots as well, the little sticky dots, which are perfect. And then, we didn't even open this one yet. This is crazy. Look at all these. Oh my gosh, the motorcycle. Shut up. The airplane. That's so cool. Look at this old like record player. I think it's a Victrola. You get this car. These could be incredible for scrapbooking. But look at the champagne bottle with the kind of explosion. Oh, look at that. Like a traveler. So cute. The records. Oh my gosh, the briefcase. The baseball player. Like, I mean, come on. If your dad is into anything, I think they've got you covered. Look at that for like suspenders and like how to get dressed and everything. Another one with some books and some glasses and like the different types of collars for your shirt. I'm a watch guy, and this is fantastic. I love watches. I mean, so many. If he's a golfer, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that one. They need a Mr. Otis, though. Don't you think they need a Mr. Otis? That's my cat, by the way, for those of you that don't know. Some fishing. You've got another football thing. This is like your football schedule. Like watches, pocket watches, tennis rackets. I mean, come on, trophies. Look, there's another doggy. We need Mr. Otis. Some tools, this classic card with this postcard. Look at that watch. So many good things. Now, I'm sure you could go through here and you could create something yourself, right? Just by looking at these different things. Like you could grab a card, you could open it up, you can do things on the front like this, and then you can take any of these kind of sentiments or any of these aren't the sentiments, these are the embellishments, and then you can take the sentiments, which are these, and like, look at that. Even just that little bit right there, I have created a card for my dad. Like, so cool. And again, what I love about these is that on the back here, you've got where you can write your name. Dad will know that you made this card. How fun is this? Super, super fun. Love it, love it, love it. So this next kit I'm going to show you is the Paper Wingtips Craft Box. Now this is a finishing school box, and I will tell you about finishing school in just a second. Now what's really, really cool about this is that this craft box is filled with dies, it's filled with paper, it's filled with embellishments, and so much more. And what's really, really cool is that you're going to get all of the supplies that you need to make handsome shoes from paper. And you're also going to have access to 3 different online classes where Anna's going to walk you through all of the projects in here. Now in this box you get 18 folded cards. There are 2 of each of the 9 designs. You're going to get 18 cardstock layers. You're going to get 15 flocked layers that you can use in your kind of creation there. You're going to get 24 3D embellishments. You're also going to get 18 3D sentiments, and then you're going to get 60 flat embellishments. So that's also really, really cool. You're going to get 8 yards of black cord and brown cord because you've got to tie your shoes, right? And then you're going to have 18 envelopes. You're going to get 8 different dies that you can use in your cutting machines, and then also an idea sheet with a coupon code for those online classes I talked about, and of course this amazing drawer box. Now let's look at everything that's involved in this little gem. All right, so this is a look at the paper wingtip craft box. And again, you're gonna get this great box that has just all kinds of goodness in it. Look at this, so much stuff. Now, this is going to be crazy to go through, but we are going to do it. These, I believe, are the kind of lace fronts of the shoes. So you've got all kinds of different patterns, all kinds of different colors. How cute are those? This is the kind of, I don't know what that's called. I forget what that's called, but like on wingtips, you see a lot of this kind of lace on the front. And let's see if we can get down to where the shoes are. Now, those are your sentiments. So you're going to get, you know, we are a great match, like sending birthday, like you can see just in that, there's all kinds of sentiments in there. I don't want to open all of these because I don't want them to go everywhere. This looks like, gosh, it looks like, is it facial hair? What is that? You guys know I like some facial hair because I've got it myself. But these are, oh no, these are, I thought these were mustaches. I'm sorry, Anna. But these are, again, super, super cute. Like, you're going to get all these pieces to kind of embellish your shoes. Look at that. I bet that's where you put, like, the twine for the laces and different things. Again, just all kinds of fantastic designs. We're going to push that one over to the side. Here are some of your sheets that you can use. This is for when you're doing the embossing and things, so you can kind of cut things out, and these are just kind of sheets of material. I believe this is like felt and all kinds of different, yeah, it's got like felt kind of fabric. There's, yeah, this is all kind of a felt material. So that's super cool. And then these actually here, how beautiful are these? Just look how gorgeous these are. Look at the array of styles and colors and things that you're getting. Now these, I believe, are also for your, yeah, these are, look at this, just incredible stuff. And again, this is where you can kind of get, you know, creative, and you can kind of make your own mark. You can cut things out with some of these. Some of these are cards, some of these are card stock and paper, so you can do all kinds of really, really cool things with them. I am so excited to dive into that. Now you can kind of see from the top here, you can kind of see which ones are the cards and kind of which ones are the paper, right? So you get an idea, like how classic is that pattern? Look at that. I love that pattern. And then inside, again, any of the cards, you've got some sort of, it's time to celebrate in style. You've got all kinds of things there. And then these are your envelopes for your cards. And then these are your laces that you can use for getting everything together. Now, this is, again, a finishing school kind of set. And on finishing school, Anna walks you through all of these. You can actually buy this online too. And you can just purchase it and kind of have at it on your own. But if you want some inspiration, you can also do finishing school. So, what do you think? How cool is this? All right, you guys, now the last item of goodness that I want to share with all of you is that Anna Griffin is available to teach you how to craft and how to create. Now you might be asking yourself, how is this possible? I can't come to Atlanta. Well, let me tell you, Anna Griffin offers a membership where you can learn from the expert herself. You do this virtually, and it's with Anna Griffin and even sometimes some of her friends. All of the Anna Griffin members, you are going to be entitled to 12 months of all kinds of really cool benefits. Now, you can get exclusive member discounts. First of all, you're going to get 10% off of all of your orders. Now, this does exclude the sale prices, but let's face it, the sale prices are already really good. You're going to also get special member pricing. It's so special, I can't even say it, on select items. Then you're also going to get free ground shipping on all US orders that are over $50. You're going to get monthly live learning events. Those are so cool. Exclusive member bundles and exclusive member like product releases. Also, you get access to finishing school. This is filled with hundreds of on-demand classes that are all on demand. And this is really where you're going to learn, you're going to make, you're going to grow, and you're going to really be inspired. And it's all on demand, so you can do it at your own pace. Now, there's an easy to follow curriculum that's divided up into 3 different parts. The first one is prep school. Prep school is kind of the backbone of crafting and creating, and it shows you how to use tools and machines and really gives you a strong foundation. Like, I am brand new to card making and to scrapbooking. So that's a really, really cool thing. Charm School is a library that's filled with made easy videos. Think of it as crafting on demand. You get ideas and inspiration in 10 minutes or less. Hello, we're all super, super busy. And then, of course, finishing school. This is kind of the creme de la creme. This is where it all comes together. And Anna is going to show you how to move beyond the impulse of buying a product and then not knowing what to do with it. And she's going to really take you through the process of inspiration, through design, leading you through 3 different projects from beginner to more advanced. And then there's a project video called Project Box, and it's a look at everything that you can make. Scrapbooking, cards, composition books, color combinations, etc., etc. And everything is given to you in one virtual place. It's really kind of amazing. And if you think about your crazy schedule, you can do it on demand at your schedule. Now, if you're interested in checking out annagriffin.com, check the link in my description box. That is down below. I've got the link here on screen as well. It's very, very easy to remember. All of the kits also that I shared with you, they are also online. And again, I think you should 100% check out Anna Griffin. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.